Normally, IKEA is famous for home decor and cheap hot dogs, but this video is going to be all about a first look at its first connected speaker, the IKEA Eneby. My name is Shruti Shekar, and you're watching Unboxing for Business. IKEA has dabbled with technology in the past with smart lighting and wireless charging. Now it's taking a stab at an affordable Bluetooth speaker. There are two sizes available, a smaller 20cm one at $59.99 and a bigger 30cm one at $99. Don't forget to add those taxes. The one we have here is the bigger one, and yeah, it's got a really nice minimal design, which is beautiful, but it's a bit boxy. The good thing though is that it's the type of speaker that would blend well in any house. It comes in one box, and no, there isn't an Allen key needed to assemble it. There's just a small booklet that explains what the functions of the speaker are. You do have the option of connecting an external device to the speaker with a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. But just so you know, you can pair the speaker up with 8 Bluetooth devices. This speaker would probably be good to pair with the Amazon Echo Dot for better sound quality when it comes to playing music and for entertaining. The only downfall is that there's only one knob that functions as your on and off button, pairing the speaker with devices, and adjusting the volume. This helps maintain the minimal aesthetic, but you can't change songs with the speaker alone. Mount this on your wall or buy the stand separately if you want to move it around your house. And that's the great thing, right? You can move the speaker around the house without it being plugged in. But in order to do that, you also have to purchase a battery pack, which is also sold separately. But this is the kind of speaker you'd keep stationary in one place, so those accessories aren't super necessary. You can also change the speaker's appearance to give it a little bit more of an industrial feel by removing the speaker cover. Overall, this simple, basic, and minimalistic speaker can be used by anybody who needs a device with good sound quality. That's all I have for you today. Tell us in the comments below, what do you think about the speaker? And if you think it's smart that IKEA is moving into the tech space. Oh, and hey, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, for IT World Canada, I'm Shruti Shekar.